事發喺星期六晚上約9點，溫哥華東區一名23歲女子為家人經營嘅便利店閂鋪時，遭蒙面男子用刀指嚇，將佢推向一條小巷。當時29歲嘅 Christopher Boyd 揸車經過 East 12th Avenue 見到就落車了解。男人話兩人係伴侶，叫佢唔好管人私事。Boyd 考慮男人可能持有武器，就退回大街截停車輛幫手。當中2名司機願意落車，連同 Boyd 共3人向疑犯大聲吆喝。疑犯見事敗就掉低把刀逃去。
And then finally she said, "No, help, please help." And at that point, the 2 gentlemen were screaming, "We've called the cops." I was trying to chase after him. He let go of her and started running down the laneway. So I immediately grabbed her and told her to run back this direction towards the street to get away from him.
期間，附近一個住戶亦都出嚟幫忙，眾人陪伴女子直至警方到達。約1個半小時後，59歲疑犯被滅罪義工喺29個街口外嘅 Memorial South Park 發現。目前已經被拘留。溫哥華過去數月發生咗多宗隨機暴力襲擊案。